Life is not always that we anticipate of it. Sometimes the destination that we think is right for us is not even meant for us. But there is a right destination waiting for us on the other side of the world. And trust me, we do not have to take the biggest decisions to reach there. Sometimes the most minute decision can take us to our right destination. So, let us see in how every stage of our life, a wrong train can take us to a right destination.
Were you a kid who didn't like go to school? I was a student who loved going to school, and especially while it's raining. Hi, my name is Pratna, and today I'm here to tell you my story where my mom made a decision for me, and it turned out to be a good decision. So it was one day, it was raining heavily, and we used to jump over the mini waterfall in front of our school. We used to walk barefoot in our class. The classrooms were dim, and we used to sing cartoon songs and play message to message. Teachers would interact with us, and we would all together spend a good time, which made me feel that school can be fun too. After that, I loved going to school on rainy days. But one day it was raining heavily, and my mom didn't wake me up. That was the first time I experienced FOMO as a kid. I realized that eventually, I realized that, oh, I could see Doraemon at 7 a.m., sip tea with my grandparents, read newspaper, do yoga with them, spend time and eat Maggie because my mom didn't know what to make for breakfast. And she also thought that I should spend a day where I should chill and enjoy myself. I used to make caricatures with clay, painted, drawing, everything, and used to spend time with myself. This is the core memory I run to today when I face hardships in life. This is my story.
My whole life had been planned out for me. My father had his version of how my life should turn out, so did my sister, and so did my mother. But nobody asked me what I want. And for me, if you ask me, it was all about doodling or watching films or shooting. I was always with my camera out. And when my father said that after my board's result, when he told me that I should opt for a science based subject, like I should do medical or that I should go into engineering, my whole world came to a stop because I knew that that wasn't something that I would be able to do, because for me studying was the last thing that I did. But I met a friend that she was so nice to me, and she told my parents that whatever I did was more than anything a medical background would ever bring to me, because I was not passionate about it. And she helped me convince them to let me get out of their perspective and get into a world of media and mass communication that I really like. And this is exactly how a wrong train took me to the right destination. My name is Swastika, and this was my story.
Hello guys, I'm Dia Sebastian, and today I will be talking about how choosing college was a vital part in my life. So it was 2023 and I passed out of school. I chose commerce. I felt like everybody around me had their things figured out. Some were choosing BCom, some were choosing CA, and my mom thought I was gonna take English literature, but I did not. I chose media. And I feel like that was one of the boldest decisions which I have taken when I was 18. But then I came to college and I realized that was not the hardest or the boldest part, but leaving home was. It was very difficult for me to talk to people, and I had a lot of sleepless nights where I cry myself to sleep and a lot of difficulties. But then slowly things began to change. I started making friends, and I started being friends with the people who came from a completely different backgrounds. I learned a lot of things with them. I explored every single corner of the campus with them, and I had a lot of fun. And then I understood missing home was just a part of the journey, but that is not the final destination. It is absolutely okay to miss my home, but at the same time, I am building a life for myself which I am interested in and I want to do it. So, right now, if you ask me if I have the answer to every single question in my life, no. I still have a lot of things that I haven't figured out yet. I still have my doubts, but still, I keep going. I keep going because I have to go on. And I feel like that's what matters. The journey is the most important part in our life, not the destination. And guys, that was my story. Thank you.
It was the final semester of college. It felt like life is trembling down because everyone had only one question for me: what is gonna happen after the degree? My name is Priyanshu Lahoti, and I'll be sharing a decision that I took in my final semester of college that changed my life forever. You know, everyone around me felt really sorted. Either they wanted to pursue a career in the media industry or they were ready to take up their master's degree. And me, I was just gathered around with opinions and advices. But somewhere my heart was falling towards higher education. One thing led to another, and there were crises at my home regarding finances. So I was forced to take a job. But even in this, there were so many options. Campus placements, something from outside, I didn't know what to do. I was so confused, almost felt like giving up everything and going to my native back. But then I spoke to my mother, and she gave me a really best advice that whatever is happening for a greater good. So I did take up a job outside the college, and I ended up working in a production house. Starting, it felt really mechanical, rigorous, and almost feeling like giving up every day. But now that I stand here, I know the experiences that I bought in. I worked here for 1 year and worked for the biggest biopharma companies and even covered events for artists like Hanuman Kind and Jonita Gandhi. And today when I came back to do my master's degree, I know what I bring to table. A whole ocean of experience. And this was my story.
So, you heard our stories. We have all chosen different paths which we thought might not be the best, but we ended up doing the best. So, take that train, you might end up in the correct destination.